Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another ink installation video. Today I've got the Canon Ts 8320 and I'm going to be showing you how to install the ink cartridges in this printer. Now I will be leaving a link in the description below for some remanufactured versions of this ink, as well as a link to the printer itself. So if you were looking to buy some new affordable ink, you can go with that remanufactured ink. Okay, so the first step, of course, is if your ink cartridges came in a box and they're wrapped, you're going to remove all the wrapping. You're going to lay them out like this so that you know exactly what you have. And then you're going to lift the top of the printer so that the print head comes right to the middle. And once you have the print head in the middle, that is where you're going to be able to install the ink cartridges. So you're going to want to line up the correct ink cartridges on the print head. You're going to take it just like this. You're going to slide it in and then you're going to click down. You should hear a click and it should be right in place. Okay, and you're going to move on to your next one, which it doesn't really matter how you install them, but magenta is what I chose to do next after PGBK, which is the larger black ink cartridge. Then yellow, purple, and then the smaller black and cyan would be last. So you are going to want to make sure you install all of the ink cartridges. If you're missing one, you are not going to be able to print. It is not going to just print black and white. You have to have all the ink cartridges installed in order for it to print. Okay, once you install your last ink cartridge, that's it. You can close up the printer and you can begin the process for setting up the printer. Alright, that's really all there is to it. I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions at all, please make sure to comment below. That's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.